So what is in the video is Tanganda in Chipinge. These are citizens who are showing ZANU-PF the middle finger. It's because they no longer want Mnangagwa to continue rule Zimbabwe by iron fist. Mnangagwa is being rejected left, right and center. It's just a matter of time. You will see the people actually resisting his regime. There is one thing. When you steal elections, you must exercise some honesty, hard work. You must try to get credibility. You must fight corruption. You must be seen serious, delivering justice. But when you rig elections, when you don't have a mandate, you continue to loot, you continue to steal. This is what people do. And before you know it, everybody will be against you. We have seen massive slaughter of army generals. We have seen massive slaughter of the opposition in the past. We have seen some unscrupulous resolving of Gukura Hundi there happening in Matebeleland. We have seen him evading from responsibility. He has refused to take responsibility of his actions. What are the consequences? The people will one day reject you in totality. And before you know it, the people you thought were your friends, were your protectors, will stand with the people. These soldiers, they have relatives who are crying. These soldiers, yes, we know that there are certain elements within the security service who are heartless, but still there are some who are still reasonable, who still think for themselves, who still see things for what they are. ZANU-PF is becoming more unpopular. With this El Nino, people are now seeing who this government is. And the people of Zimbabwe have tolerated nonsense for a very long time. Across the Limpopo, things are no longer well. The Home Affairs is moving around inspecting people who are working in different places, including farms, restaurants, etc. If these people are chased out of South Africa, then you are in trouble, Mr. Mnangagwa. If these people are deported from South Africa, then you are in trouble. If this government of Cyril Ramaphosa survives for the next 6, 8 to 12 months, and they continue with the policies of this new minister, then you are in trouble. I saw a lot of people, they attacked me when I made a video about this minister. But right now it's happening. He is confirming it. What will be the fate of Mnangagwa across the Limpopo? One thing we need to agree is Mnangagwa will not get to 2030, will not get to 2028. If he gets to 2026, Inyasha, he is crumbling, he is falling. Zimbabwe shall be free. Let us continue to press ahead. Let us continue to fight for change in this nation, Zimbabwe.
Quase troco no algum chá.
Asingoiti kuno munhu. Vanhu vatobva kuHarare iko kwa.
Vanoitira kure. Unofira unofamba seyo.
Chatoitwa navanhu vabva
vakomana vajamuka. Ukaona kizowane kuchini.